Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to show you how to find your Wi-Fi password in Windows 11. They can be really handy if you forget your password or if you need to share it with your friends. So let's get started. So first we will go to our taskbar. You can see here is our Wi-Fi is showing. So if we click on that, and here you can see this is our Wi-Fi name, Unicorn Pixel 5G. So if we now go to our start bar, click on that, and here we will find settings. Click on that. After came into the settings, if we look at our left side bar, you can see network and internet. Click on that, Wi-Fi options, you can see. If we click on that, and then we will find manage known networks. So if we click on manage known networks, you will get all that Wi-Fi is connected with your device. So you can see here Unicorn Pixel 5G, that Wi-Fi is connected to our Wi-Fi right now. So if you want to show or see its password, just click on that, scroll down a little bit, and here you will find view Wi-Fi security key. So if you click on view, and here you can see this is your Unicorn Pixel 5G security key password. So this is how we can see it. Or if you want to see the others that are connected with your device, if we want to see MHS Supremo's password, click on that and scroll down a little bit, and here you can see view Wi-Fi security key. And if you click on view, you will get the password. So this is how you can see your Wi-Fi password in Windows 11. And if I tell you a very shortcut to know it, just click on this bar and click on this Unicorn Pixel 5G Wi-Fi is connected. You can see, so if we just click on this icon called properties, if you click on that, so it will directed you with Unicorn Pixel 5G properties. So if we scroll down a little bit, we will able to see view Wi-Fi security code, and if you click on view, and we can also get our password. And that's it. You now know how to find your Wi-Fi password in Windows 11. Remember, this should only be used for legitimate purposes. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful topics. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you in another video. Till then, goodbye.